Number 16, make time. It means to find time to do something or meet someone.
We should make time for family every weekend. We should make time for family every weekend. She makes time for her hobbies, despite being busy. She makes time for her hobbies, despite being busy. He made time to meet his old friend. He made time to meet his old friend.
Number 17, make up number 1. It means to reconcile after a disagreement or fight.
After arguing, the couple decided to make up. After arguing, the couple decided to make up. It's important to make up quickly after fights. It's important to make up quickly after fights. They made up and are friends again. They made up and are friends again.
Number 18, make up number 2. It means to create a story or an excuse that isn't true.
The child likes to make up fairy tales. The child likes to make up fairy tales. Sometimes people make up excuses for being late. Sometimes people make up excuses for being late. He made up a story about his adventure. He made up a story about his adventure.
Number 19, make out. It means to understand or discern something.
I can't make out what that sign says. I can't make out what that sign says. She couldn't make out the handwriting on the note. She couldn't make out the handwriting on the note. He tried to make out the directions in the dark. He tried to make out the directions in the dark.
Number 20, make a wish. It means to hope for something to happen when blowing out birthday candles or seeing a shooting star.
Make a wish before blowing out your candles. Make a wish before blowing out your candles. She made a wish on a shooting star. She made a wish on a shooting star. On his birthday, he made a wish for happiness. On his birthday, he made a wish for happiness.